Today is a very special day. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Evan here. Welcome to the Cartoon Block. I managed to get my hands on the latest version of Wacom Cintiq 24 HD Touch, baby, featuring Wacom's latest upgrade. Let's check it out. I want to thank the good people at Wacom for sending me their brand new Cintiq 24 HD Touch featuring their new upgrade. Inside the box you'll find all the necessary cables such as power cord, express key remote, HDMI, USB, DVI, and USB-C cables. Their highly advanced stylus with Pro Pen 2 technology. The cradle, which houses 10 replacement nibs. Setup is very simple. Remove the back cover, connect all the essential cables to the back of the pen display, power on, and voila, you're in business. Drawing on the 24 HD is a very natural experience. The stylus is super comfortable in my hand. The Pro Pen 2 technology allows for better control and accuracy with virtually no parallax on the screen. The pen has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity with tilt recognition. And best of all, no batteries required for charging, which I absolutely love. The screen is etched glass, which feels like natural pen on paper. It's also high quality, full 4K resolution. All these features are wonderful, but Wacom made a giant leap further with another innovative breakthrough, introducing the Make Art button. By providing this revolutionary technology, Wacom has changed the game so you don't have to waste time thinking about your art. No longer do you have to struggle with actually drawing with a stylus. This button will even allow you to multitask. For example, you can create art while on the couch watching TV, while driving, or even brushing your teeth. If you want to be a better artist, then you need to get this. It will literally change your life. April Fools! Thanks guys for watching my April Fools Make Art button, video. I had fun making it, and I want to thank my good friends over at Wacom for sending me their 24 HD Touch. So stay tuned for the real review of Wacom's 24 HD Touch in an upcoming video. And until then, y'all, deuces. And that's a wrap.
Cut.